Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into transforming your ambitions into achievements. Today, we're exploring a game-changing approach that revolutionizes how you think about success. Whether you're aiming to climb the corporate ladder, lead a healthier lifestyle, or just get more out of every day, understanding the power of identity in action will set you on the path to realizing your dreams. But first, hit subscribe because you're about to learn how to embody the change you want to see with practical steps and transformative insights that could change the game for you. Let's get started! Number 1. The 3 pillars of goal achievement. At its core, achieving any goal, whether that's accumulating wealth, getting fit, or rising in your career, involves 3 critical elements. The desired outcome, the what, the processes or actions taken to reach that outcome, the how, and most crucially, embodying the identity of someone who can achieve these outcomes, the who. Behavioral psychologists and authors like James Clear in Atomic Habits have long discussed this formula, emphasizing that it's not just about doing something or wanting something, it's about becoming someone. For example, a professional wanting to become a senior manager focuses not just on the title, but on understanding and mastering the leadership skills that the position requires. Take another example. An aspiring writer commits to writing 500 words daily and regularly submits pieces for publication, aligning actions with the goal of being published. Embodying the identity. A person wanting to lose weight starts identifying as someone who values health and fitness, which might lead them to join fitness classes and avoid unhealthy eating habits routinely. Number 2. Embodying your desired identity. For instance, consider someone who aims to become a successful entrepreneur. They don't just need to perform tasks associated with entrepreneurship, they need to start thinking and acting like an entrepreneur. This could mean adopting a proactive mindset, consistently networking, and learning from failures rather than being discouraged by them. For example, entrepreneurial identity. An individual aspires to start their own business, so they begin to attend entrepreneurship workshops, read business books, and surround themselves with other entrepreneurs to cultivate the mindset and skills required. Consider professional development. An employee aiming for a promotion might start taking on additional responsibilities at work, seeking feedback to improve, and dressing more professionally to embody the role they want. Number 3. The power of keystone habits. One powerful strategy in aligning your actions with your identity is to employ what's termed a keystone habit. This habit acts as a foundation, bringing about multiple positive changes that facilitate other good habits. For example, a keystone habit for someone aiming to improve their health might be meal prepping every Sunday, which simplifies healthy eating throughout the week and reduces impulsive, unhealthy eating. Consider financial discipline. Setting up automated savings each month could act as a keystone habit, leading to better budget management and less impulsive spending. For academic success, a student makes it a habit to review class notes for 30 minutes each day, which enhances understanding and retention, leading to better grades and deeper engagement with the material. Number 4. The be-do-have philosophy. The concept of be-do-have illustrates this well. Instead of focusing solely on what you want to have, first consider who you need to be in order to do the things that will allow you to have your desired outcome. Let's say you aim to save more money. Adopting the identity of someone who is thrifty and financially conscious, perhaps by setting a monthly budget and sticking to it, can help manifest this goal more naturally and sustainably. An example: creative achievements. An aspiring artist focuses on being more observant and creative daily, leading them to carry a sketchbook at all times, which enhances their skills and increases their body of work. Consider career growth. A junior marketer who wants to become a chief marketing officer starts by embodying the qualities of leadership and strategic thinking, taking on volunteer leadership roles within industry associations. Number 5. Reinforcing identity through daily practices. Moreover, daily affirmations and reminders can reinforce this new identity. Instead of broad, vague affirmations, contextual cues can be more effective. For example, asking oneself, "What would a financially responsible person do in this situation?" can lead to more conscious spending behaviors. For sobriety, someone in recovery might start each day by affirming their commitment to sobriety and planning their day around activities that support this goal, such as attending support meetings or engaging in sober hobbies. For environmental consciousness, An individual who wants to live more sustainably might ask themselves daily how they can minimize waste, leading to habits like using reusable products, recycling more effectively, and conserving energy. Number 6. Modeling success. Behavioral cues and mental reframing can extend to any area of life. For someone aiming for a fitness goal, embodying the lifestyle of someone who values health and fitness might involve regular exercise, choosing active pastimes, and prioritizing sleep. These behaviors reinforce the identity of being health-focused, making related actions more intuitive. Number 7. Learning from role models. Sometimes it helps to model behaviors on successful figures or mentors. Imagining how a role model might handle a specific challenge can provide a blueprint for personal actions. For instance, if a person's role model is a successful author, they might ask themselves how that author structures their writing time or deals with writer's block. Aspiring academics. A PhD student might model their daily routines after a successful professor in their field, dedicating specific hours to research, teaching, and publication, just as their role model does. Consider business leadership. A mid-level manager might study the decision-making processes and leadership styles of admired CEOs, applying these insights to their own management practices to enhance their effectiveness and prepare for higher leadership roles. In sum, the path to achieving your goals is less about external outcomes and more about internal transformation. Aligning your identity with the person who achieves these goals not only clarifies the steps you need to take, but also makes these steps a natural extension of who you are. Thus, success becomes not just something you do, but something you are, leading to more sustained and fulfilling achievement.